Everyone, um, welcome to my YouTube channel, and I will be doing a trade recap of the trade I took yesterday. Yes, so as you can see, the trade ended in profit, and I took this trade on my live account, and you would notice that I took it on my live account on paper and on MetaTrader on Meta MT5, yeah, MT5. But because of you guys, I also took it on my paper trading, so you would see what I did, like how the trade went. Yeah, so now I would give a very brief explanation of what inspired this trade and all. So firstly, as you can see, it's a downtrend from an uptrend, and shout out to Alex. This is a head and shoulder pattern. This is the head, this is the shoulder, and it was just meant to dump. So yeah, basically it was a very sure trade. Looking at it now, I had wanted it to respect this other block here, but it respected this one. That it respected this one